Here, write the following dates using the names of the month. Here we have 13/6/2004. First you do here like that, 13 and the year. 3/3/2000. You just leave the month. Month here, write 3, then 2000. Then 25/10/2005. 25, leave the space and write 2005. Then 11/1/2006. 11, leave the space for the month and then 2006. 7/8/2001, write 7 here, leave the space. Now what you have to do? 6 month means January, February, March, April, May, June. 6 month is January, February, March, April, May, June. So write here June. So you have to calculate. Now third month, January, February, March. So write here March. So March here. Now 10th month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So write here October. So here full spelling of October and then 2005. October 2005. So here first means January. January 11th. January. So 7, 8th. 8th months means January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. 8th month is August. So learn the spellings of the months and then write according to that. 13 June 2004. 6th month is June. January, February, March, April, May, June. 3rd month is March. 3rd March 2000. 10th month is October. 25 October 2005. 11th January. 1st month is January. 8th month is August. 7/8/2001 means 7 August 2001. 8th January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So according to that number, take out the months and then write the date. Using a calendar, there are many types of calendar. You all know about the calendar, as each and every home, each and every house, each and every workplace, every office we have calendar. Now calendar is in all the mobiles. So there are many type of calendars. Small calendars, big calendars, 1-page calendar, 2-page, 3-page, 6 or 12-page calendars. And in your mobile, it is very small calendar. A calendar is of 1 year. Means from January to December, we have latest calendar according to our year, that is January to December. Now you search in your home or search in the mobile calendar and read all the months of the calendar. There are many type of calendars. Small calendar, big calendar. As kids, you all know very well about the calendar, as everywhere we have calendar of the latest year. This is 2020. So everywhere you see calendar of 2020. There are many types of calendar. Small calendar, big calendar, 1-page calendar, 2-page, 3-page, 6-page or 12 pages. Now again, very important thing, that a calendar is for 1 year. That year is running. Which year is running? Suppose now in front of you, if you have calendar that is of 2020, as 2020 year is going on. So a calendar is for 1 year, means January to December. Now here we have very important part. Each month is divided into week in the calendar. Each month is divided into week. Every month we have 4 weeks and some few extra days. Now things to remember: 1 week, 7 days. 1 month, 30 days. 1 year, 52 weeks. 1 month, 4 weeks. So in class 3, you are in class 3. So you learn it by heart. 1 week, 7 days. 1 month 30 days, 1 year 52 weeks, 1 month 4 weeks. And sometimes we have along with that 4 week few extra days. Here how to use the calendar. Using a calendar, months that have 30 days or 31 days. So here I am going to tell you very easy method how to take out the days of the particular month. Now look at here. January 31 days, February we have 28 or 29 days. After every 4 years there is leap year, and on that leap year February has 29 days. March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days, December 31. So I'm talking about an easy way to remember. So here you have to see your knuckles here. Upside of your knuckles that have 31 days. January, upside 31. February, only February we have 28 or 29 days. 4 year continuously we have 28 days, and after 4 year when we have leap year then Feb has 29 days. Then 30, 31, 30, 31, 31, 30. So here these are knuckles. So you have to see your knuckles. Upper side you count from here. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So here upper side on the knuckles we have 31 days, and here Feb has 28 days or 29. After every 4 years we have 29 days. So this is the very easiest way to find out the days in the days of the month. Now how many months do we have 31 days? 1 January, 2 March, 3 May, July, August, October, December. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 months we have 31 days. And then 30 days, April, June, September, November. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 months we have 30 days, and 1 month here 5. 7 plus 5, we have 12 months in a year. So this is very easy way to find out the days of the month. Upper side of the knuckle we have 31 days, then Feb 28 or 29 days, then March 31, then April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August again 31. Here January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August again upper side of the knuckle. So here again we have 31 days. September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31.